2337.
Put your hands in the air! Fucking got me, god damn it!
Single 04, I am shot, but I'm up. Shots fired, shots fired! Roll your head, up the gas! Clear. Alright, put the tourniquet on me. That's fair. You just get to 13 and 04 now. Get behind the car, get behind the car. Yeah, we need an ambulance. We got to flush her down. That's clear, that's clear. Suspect.
Put your hands in the air! Oh, fuck! Fuck, he shot me, god damn it! Officer shot. $13-04, I am shot, but I'm up and moving. God.
Shots fired, shots fired, shots fired, shots fired. Roll your mess.
Hey, tourniquet, tourniquet, tourniquet. 13-04. All right, putting the tourniquet on me. God damn it. Go get him. Get behind my car, get behind the car. I'm bleeding like a son of a bitch. God damn. Tourniquet my ass. Here. All right, here. Tie that shit up on me. Yeah, go high. Yep. Oh, here he is. 13-04, hold there.
Southeast.
Put your hands in the air! Put your hands in the air! Fuck, you got me, goddamn! Shots fired, shots fired, shots fired, shots fired. Roll EMS, suspect down. Hey, I got a tourniquet.
Alright, putting the tourniquet on me. That's clear. You need to get to 13 and 04 now.
Get behind my car, get behind the car. Yeah, we need an ambulance. We got officer down. I'm bleeding like the son of a bitch.
That's clear, that's clear.
Tourniquet mine. Here. All right, here. Tie that shit up on me. Yeah, go high. Yep.
Who's got glove up? Who's got gloves?
I am.
All right, we need one more with gloves.
One more with gloves?
Whoa. We need one more with gloves.
I got it.
Move up with the shield. Whoever's got gloves is going to detain him. Mendez, when we start moving, lower your gun, please. I got it. All right. Yes, just move it out of the way. All right. You're not clear for now. All right, we got 2 people on gloves.
Yeah.
Behind you.
Detain them, I'll grab the gun.
Cover. All right.
Fine, yeah, detain him.
Yep. Move it up. Coming up on the right. Don't move. Don't move. Do not move. I'm just going to kick it. Yep. Hey, we're going to move gun out. Step up.
All right.
Do not move. Do you understand me?
Yeah.
We're taking the suspect into custody right now.